When you look up at the night sky, it's hard not to wonder what would it feel like to stand on another planet, a place where the ground burns red, rivers glow, and skies shimmer with colors we cannot describe. But what if I told you you don't have to leave Earth to experience it? Our planet hidden alien landscapes so bizarre, so breathtaking that defy logic itself. From blood-red lakes to deserts that look like Mars. Here are the top 10 places on Earth that look like they are from another planet. Number 10. The Danakil Depression, Ethiopia. Welcome to the hottest, driest, and most unlivable place on planet Earth, the Danakil Depression in Ethiopia. This alien terrain is a cocktail of burning heat, acid pools, and volcanic explosions. With temperatures soaring above 50 degrees centigrade, it's literally hell on Earth. The ground bubbles with neon green and yellow pools made from sulfur, salt, and toxic minerals. So vivid they look like digitally enhanced, but they are 100% real. NASA scientists even study the Danakil because its extreme conditions mirror those on Venus and Mars. Life here is so almost non-existent, yet somehow tiny microorganisms manage to survive in the acid. If you ever dreamt of walking on another planet, the Danakil Depression might just be your one-way ticket without leaving Earth. Number 9. Wadi Rum, Jordan, the Martian Desert. Next stop, the Wadi Rum Desert in Jordan, a vast expanse of red sand, sandstone cliffs, and endless silence. It's so otherworldly that Hollywood chose it as the backdrop for The Martian, Dune, and Prometheus. Standing here, you might expect a NASA rover to roll by any second. Nicknamed the Valley of the Moon, Wadi Rum's landscape glows in shades of orange, gold, and crimson. The rock formations rise like alien temples carved over millions of years by wind and sand. And when the sun sets, the desert transforms again. The sky turns violet and a million stars burn bright over the red earth. It's no wonder astronauts train here because heading to Mars, because this is as close as you can get without leaving the planet. Number 8. The Salar de Uyuni, Bolivia. Imagine walking on an endless mirror that reflects the entire sky. That's the Salar de Uyuni, the world's largest salt flat, stretching over 10,000 square kilometers in Bolivia. During the rainy season, a thin layer of water covers the salt, turning the desert into a giant mirror. It's like walking between the two worlds, sky above, sky below. Astronauts say it looks like something straight out of a dream, or perhaps an ice world orbiting a distant star. When dry, the hexagonal salt patterns stretch endlessly, resembling alien terrain. In fact, NASA's satellites use this area to calibrate their senses because the flatness of Salar de Uyuni is so perfect it's almost unnatural. It's Earth's own infinite mirror, a place where heaven and earth become one. Number 7. Zhangye Danxia Landform, China. Next, a mountain range that looks painted by the gods themselves. In northwestern China lies Zhangye Danxia Landform, a surreal landscape of rainbow-colored hills. The reds, yellows, and blues come from layers of mineral deposits built over 24 million years. Erosion sculpted them into rippling waves that seem to glow under the sun. When you first see it, your eyes almost don't believe it. It is as if someone spilled paint across an alien planet. Tourists call it the Rainbow Mountains of China, but to geologists, it's a natural masterpiece, a reminder of how time, pressure, and patience can turn the ordinary into the extraordinary. Number 6. The Lol Volcano, Ethiopia. Back to Ethiopia and to one of the most toxic yet strangely mesmerizing places on Earth, the Dalol volcano. The surface bubbles with acid pools, salt cones, and steaming geysers. The air smells of sulfur and burns the lungs. Even your camera might corrode if you stay too long. But the colors, oh, the colors, electric yellows, bright greens, and fiery reds, as if a painter from another galaxy spilled his palette here. Scientists say this landscape is the closest match to Mars found on Earth. It is so extreme that researchers test rover technology here before sending it to space. The law proves that alien beauty does not always lie in comfort. Sometimes it is hid in chaos. Number 5. The Fly Geyser, Nevada, USA. Hidden in the Nevada desert lies a secret, a multicolored streaming alien tower that should not even exist. This is Fly Geyser, a man-made accident turned natural wonder. Back in the 1960s, humans drilled for geothermal energy but struck a pressurized pocket instead. Hot water erupted and minerals began to pile up for decades, forming this surreal rainbow-covered alien cone. Now it constantly sprays hot water meters into the air, surrounded by glowing pools of green and red. From above, it looks like something straight from a science fiction movie, proof that sometimes humans accidentally create otherworldly beauty too. Number 4. Lake Natron, Tanzania. At first glance, Lake Natron looks calm and beautiful, but don't be fooled. This blood-red lake in Tanzania could easily belong on Mars. The crimson color comes from salt-loving microorganisms that thrive in its alkaline waters. Temperatures can reach 60 degrees centigrade and the pH level is nearly as high as ammonia. It is so toxic that animals falling into it get preserved, their bodies turned into eerie, statue-like mummies, yet flamingos somehow thrive here, using the lake as a safe breeding ground. It is both deadly and full of life, a paradox that feels less Earth and more like something from another solar system. Number 3. Mount Romaira, Venezuela, Brazil, Guyana. High above the clouds on the borders of Venezuela, Brazil and Guyana rises Mount Romaira, a flat-topped plateau so mysterious it inspired The Lost World by Arthur Conan Doyle. It is one of the oldest geological formations on Earth, over 2 billion years old. When clouds wrap around it, the Romaira looks like a floating island, a tabletop world disconnected from time. Its vertical cliffs rise over 400 meters, and on top lies a misty, untouched ecosystem filled with carnivorous plants, crystal pools, and strange rocks formations. It is often called the real Pandora from Avatar, and it is easy to see why. The line between Earth and another planet blurs here. Number 2. Antarctica's Blood Falls. In the icy silence of Antarctica, a shocking red waterfall pours from the face of a glacier. It's not blood, but iron-rich brine that turns scarlet when exposed to oxygen. Called blood falls, this phenomena has puzzled scientists for decades. Beneath the ice lies a hidden subglacial lake sealed off for millions of years, where microbes live in total darkness, without sunlight, air, or warmth. It's a real-life example of how life might survive on frozen worlds like Europe or Mars. Even in the coldest, most lifeless places, Earth reminds us it still holds secrets beyond imagination. Number 1. Socotra Island, Yemen. And finally, our number 1 destination that looks like another planet, the island of Socotra, off the coast of Yemen. If there is one place that truly feels extraterrestrial, it is this one, home of hundreds of species found nowhere else on Earth. Socotra's landscape is filled with twisted, umbrella-shaped dragon's blood tree, named for the red shape that flows when cut. The beaches are white and untouched. The rocks rise like alien sculptures, and the air hums with life forms so unique they could be from another galaxy. UNESCO calls it the most alien-looking place on Earth, and yet it is part of our world, a living museum of evolution itself. If Mars had forests, they might look like Socotra. From boiling acid pools to frozen red waterfalls, our planet is more alien than we ever imagined. It is so easy to dream about exploring other worlds, but maybe before we chase the stars, we should learn to see the magic right here beneath our feet. So next time you look up at the night sky, remember Earth already holds galaxies of wonder. This is World in 10, and if you enjoyed traveling through these otherworldly places, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with a fellow explorer. Until next time, keep your eyes open because our planet is far stranger than fiction.